Hi, welcome to everyone. Today we are going to see ESXi Server, which we installed, ESXi 1. We installed two guest OS like CentOS and Windows. Linux and Windows we installed on the ESXi 1, and ESXi 2 we installed Vcenter 7.0. Okay, and this is the Vcenter where I logged in using this IP address. Vcenter IP address. I logged in. 192.168.48.133 is my Vcenter. So now I am going to create a data center. Lab data center. In the data center, you can attach the ESXi server into the Vcenter. And before that, okay, it's fine. Now I'm going to attach IP address 192.168.129, my ESXi server 1. Next, username, password, the ESXi server password. Security, yes. Next, see, this is the name. 129 is my ESXi server IP address, vendor VMware, model 7.1, version 7.0.2, virtual machine. On the top of the VMware, the ESXi server has two virtual machine. This is CentOS and Windows. Okay. Assignment, validation, evaluation license. Okay. So if you put lockdown mode, so I cannot access this ESXi server through ESXi IP address. Only I can access through Vcenter. So now I will leave this normal. I will disable it. If you put it normal, then it will log the ESXi server IP address. Okay. The location of the host. Lab data center. Click finish. And one more IP. I'll select data center and click add host. My ESXi server 2. Oh. (132) is my ESXi server 2. 132. Okay. Username, password. Yes, the 132 and the virtual machine is Vcenter. We installed on ESXi server 2. Evaluation license. Okay. Now I'll leave it and disable. Location, lab data center. Yeah, no, it's fine all. Okay. Now this is a vCenter 133 and this is a lab data center name, and this is ESXi Server 1 which has CentOS and Windows, and ESXi Server 2 has the vCenter. Now how to migrate one server to one host to other host. This ESXi 1 to ESXi 2 I want to move. Why I need to move means some maintenance purpose I want to move. Okay, now I am going to migrate, change computer resource or change storage only. So if you want to move only compute resources or like CPU, memory or storage, only the capacity of the storage you are going to move, or both, change both computer and resources and storage, cross vCenter server export. So one vCenter to other vCenter we are going to move. So I will choose both compute resource and storage I want to move. From where you want to move? Already it is in 129. Now it is 132. Device uses the backing data store which is not accessible. Yeah, we are using CD drive to mount that drive. Okay, you can ignore. And data store and ESXi Server 421, we have enough space. Okay, and source. Okay, select the network, VM network, change the compute resource and storage, finish. See, now it's relocating the virtual machine from ESXi Server 1 to ESXi Server 2. It is moving, relocating now. Okay, let me check. Yeah, correct. Now it is CentOS is now it's moved to ESXi Server. So this is called cold migrate. Cold migrate means like when the server is down state, we can move one ESXi server to other ESXi server. So I don't want to put the server in down. So how to move the server up and running? While up and running, I want to move the server, one ESXi server to other ESXi server. There we used to Vmotion technology we are using. That we will check later. For now, this is a purpose like how to move the one VM to other VM, cold migrate. In the cold migrate, we have to put the server is down, then only we can move. And even if you go there, the Windows machine now, ESXi machine, it is not available. Previously it was like a CentOS and Windows. Now only Windows is available. Do you want to move another server as well? Migrate, change both compute resource and storage. Where you want to move? 132. Data store 1, VM network, finish. Now relocating virtual machine, Windows to ESXi 2. When both Windows and Linux both in powered off state, then only we can do cold migrate. So if you want to do when the server is up and running, you want to move, then we have to open using vMotion we have to use. So Windows now it is taking a bit longer time than the CentOS.